Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about comments in Python. We'll talk about what are comments in Python and then how to write comments and why to write comments. And finally, at the end of this video, I have few funny comments for you. Please watch this video till the end and enjoy. Let's go to our IDE. This is a simple hello program, and for example, you can consider that this is a very complex program. This can be a complex program that you might not remember when you start debugging it, maybe after a month or after a year. So you better write some text here so that you will understand this program in future, what you have done, what for what purpose you have written this line. So I'll write here uh, at this we are we are greeting the user. Okay, now if you try to execute this program, Python will give you some error because it will try to understand, it will try to make sense out of this. It will not understand this because it's English, it's not Python. So I'll tell Python that whatever I have written after this hash, please ignore this. It's for me, it's not for you. So when you execute the program, ignore this. Now if you try to run this now, okay, you got the output. So this is comment in Python. Comments are used to describe you put some help for the code, or you can also use comment to remove existing code. I will show you how. For example, this is a function and you want to put some help here, so you can simply write hash and this function calculates number. Okay, this is the comment for this function, and for example, this is the line you want to put comment for. Here, instead of uh, putting comment before the line or after the line, what you can do is, if it is convenient for you, you can put hash over here and you can say formula for factorial. Okay, simple. Now if you want to put comments on multiple line, it's simple. Put one more hash and start your comment here. This function calculates factorial of a number and it accepts number as a parameter and returns the factorial. Okay, so this is the way you can put multi-line comments in Python, and this is how you can put single line comment. Now there are people who use triple double quote to put comment. This is comment, but this is not the recommended way. I'll tell you why. When they declare when you write something in triple double quote, Python treats this as a string. So when you declare, generally when you declare a string, you write str1 equal to, and you uh, put your string in double quote or triple double quote or single quote, right? Now Python will create object of this part and it will assign the address of this to str1. Now these people are not using this str1. Okay, so what will Python do? It will create object, and since the address of this object is not stored anywhere, it will ignore this object. Okay, but please note that it will create the object, it will parse this code and it will create the object, so Python resources will get consumed. It's not comment. It can act as a comment, it will have no impact on your program, but it is slowing down your program, so please don't use it. Let's go back to our slides. There are few funny comments I could find for you. Please enjoy them till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe.